Spreadsheet Module 4, Homework Assignment Number 4. So in this workbook, there are 4 worksheets, and we're looking at the very first worksheet, which is the fee revenue summary for a dental service office for the dentists Carson, Benjamin, and Jeffrey. And you'll notice at the bottom, they each have their own worksheet. And this is based on the services for the first 3 months. So if you click Carson, you're going to notice that the top of Carson's is green, so they match. So there's Carson, his whatever dental services he provided, and the fees for January, February, March. And you'll click Benjamin, same thing, the dental services and the fees for the first 3 months for Benjamin, and then the same for Jeffrey. So I'll go back to the fee summary. And what you want to do is get the total for the January general examinations from Carson's, from Benjamin, and from Jeffrey. Add the 3 up and put them in here. And do the same thing for all the services for each of the 3 months. And all it takes is one formula. Go ahead and do your auto sum or your alt equals. You should have equals sum in your parentheses. Click the worksheet labeled Carson. It jumps into Carson. Hold your shift key and down at the bottom click the tab for the worksheet Jeffrey, and you notice that they're all the same color tab. So you've selected Carson and it shows in your formula Carson through Jeffrey. The very first cell that we're going to add is right here in B7, so go ahead and click that and then just press enter. And that's the 3 for general examinations for the month of January from Carson, Benjamin, and Jeffrey. Use your fill handle, go across, and then let go. Then get the fill handle again and drag it all the way down to total. If you want to look at the formula, you'll notice that it's equal sum, and inside the parentheses is Carson through Jeffrey, and at the end of it, that exclamation point means end of worksheet. And then what cell? B7. And so if we were to look at the next one, it'll be the same things, Carson through Jeffrey, but B8, B9, and then if you go to the next column, and so forth. So to add the total row, I'm going to select B through E, and then go into cell styles and choose total. And there you have it. And that's a save and submit.